I'm going to talk about how to set up the codes when you're first getting started in Winemaker's database. As you can see, the menu is color-coded. The menu items that are in the core package are the inquiry, data entry, lab, dry goods, utilities, and admin menus. These other colored tabs are modules that are additional. You can find out more information about our modules on our website at WMDB.com. When setting up the initial codes in the program, most people will go to the utility screen first if they don't have additional modules. In the utilities menu, which is yellow, you can click on codes. This screen will appear. Here you can set up the various code types for many different areas of the program. We're going to stick with analysis for the time being. So here you can see a grid that has the codes and descriptions, active, inactive, or both. Currently, there are no inactive codes in the program, so we'll just stick with active. In order to create a new code, you would click the New button. You can also edit or delete existing ones. In order to create a new one, let's click New. You would enter in the information below, and you can tab through each field. Once you have all of your information entered, you can click Save. If you want to create an inactive code, meaning that you want to have it saved in the system but not taking up space on your active list, you can click Inactive and click Save. Once you do so, the program will remember your new code. Now we're going to go back to this inactive grid and take a look. Here's the new code that I created. To delete it, select it from the grid and click Delete. The program will prompt you to confirm your change. In order to print a list of all of my different codes and descriptions, or save, email, or download those pages or those reports, click Print, where it generates the print or print preview buttons. Let's take a look at the interactive print preview. Here you can see a copy of the report of my codes, descriptions, the units, min and max values. There are two toolbars to your left for formatting and on the top for various actions such as saving, quick printing, changing the scale and page setup. You can also add a background color or watermark, and you can export the document in any one of these file types, or you can email it in any one of these file types. To close this report screen, you can click the X here, or you can come up to File, where it has some of those similar options, and click Exit. And that's how this screen works. Basically, come down to whichever code type you would like to make changes to, and then make your changes. Varietal families works similarly. So you have your varietal family code and colors and their descriptions, and you can create new ones, edit, and delete existing ones. Click Print, and that will take you to this interactive print preview again with your various toolbar options. You are going to set up your tanks the same way in the tanks utility screen. And here you have the barrel utility screen where you enter in all of your barrel ID numbers. And then if you want, again, print to see all of your different barrel IDs. Now, once you've gone through that, There are some other menu items that if you choose to add an additional module at a later time or when you get set up, you'll just want to take a look to make sure that you don't miss any other code setups. So for example, this particular demo client in data entry has a code tab to set up their outside bond codes. So again, it's a similar setup. You've got your grid here that you can work from. You can create new outside bonds, edit or delete existing ones. If you have the grower contracts module, as you can see here, you have a codes tab where you would set up all of these different codes. Our commitments module also has a codes utility for setup. So here you would set up your business entities and payment term types. Our scale house module also has a codes utility in which you would set up these various codes. And the screens all work similarly. If you have any questions, you can always contact us. Our information can be found in this WMDB logo at the top left-hand corner of the screen. If you click on it and click Contact WMDB, here is our contact information. If you would like more information about any of our additional modules, you can visit our website at wmdb.com. Thank you for watching.